Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today we're taking a look at this 1997 Marcos Mantaray. It's a turbo Spider and there's probably a few other names in there as well. And Nick's going to give us a full tour of it. It's his car. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So here it is, and here is Nick. He's going to tell us a bit more about the Marcos.
Yeah, hi Jake, my name's Nick. Yeah, it's 1997 Marcos Mantaray Turbo Spider. They only actually built 3 turbos, 26 Mantarays in total, but only 3 of the turbos. It's the car that was featured in a few magazines, also it was the brochure car. I picked it up from Redline Sports Cars last year, after having lots of American cars and all sorts of different cars. Always fancied having a Marcos, and we sort of looked at it and said yes. Went to see it. I phoned a friend of mine, Phil Jones, that is well into his Marcoses, and he said to me what to go for. I went to look at it, and to be honest, when I first time I saw it, I bought it. It's got funny little foibles, but it's sort of limited, sort of small cottage industry cars. You'd expect that, but it drives beautifully. It's got all the modern luxuries, power steering, electric windows, handles beautifully, and it's something totally different.
So Nick's going to take us around the car now. You did say something about the headlights just now, actually.
Yeah, I've just had new headlight covers. It's quite unique. It's quite unique to the car. The Mantarays is a different style of cover. The original ones are getting a bit scabby, so yes, had new ones bonded on, which I personally think make this car look even better.
Yeah, they do stand out now.
Yeah, they stand out quite nicely. Yep.
Yep, let's go for a walk around. What inch alloys have we got on this one?
That was the wheels. That is the correct wheels for the car. Some people don't like them; they are a little bit kit carish, I must admit. But that was the wheels they did for the Marcos Mantaray at the time.
Yeah.
So I want to keep the car as original as possible, really.
And do you know the exact colour, or is it just a red?
Ah, right. In theory, it's Ferrari red, but I've later found out it's Hyundai Passion Red.
So who got it first?
Probably the Ferrari idea, and I'd rather say it's Ferrari rather than Hyundai.
Yeah, I would
mind,
too.
Yeah.
Yeah. The interior's lovely on this.
Yes, all leather interior. Marcos's quirky wooden dashboard. I think it's added something totally different.
Yeah.
Yeah, all leather.
And it's all original?
Yeah, totally original.
Very nice. We've got the Marcos hat.
Yep.
And part of the Bristol Pegasus Club.
Yep, for my sins.
Yeah. And as we go on the back end, you was telling me the rear lights, what were they off again?
Ah, this could be, I don't know, I think your viewers, if they can guess what they're from.
Yeah, alright, we'll do that. If you
Yeah, let's have a guess what the rear lights are from.
Yeah, I can't remember. I'll find out later. New stickers as well for the channel.
Yep.
Supported on the Marcos today. Lovely exhaust on it too.
Yeah, all stainless steel all the way through.
Yeah, it does sound good actually after you following me up through town just now. I could hear it over mine.
Really?
Yeah, it's quite surprising. Yeah, I ain't got the clips, has it, either side? Oh.
No, the original ones had they used to use the Triumph Herald Stroke Spitfire clips on them. But this one's a bit more advanced, a bit more.
Yeah. Well, there we go. So, what litre is he?
2 litre.
2 litre, yeah.
2 litre, 240 brake horsepower, breathed on Rover. I think it was the MI16 or whichever, the one they put in the Rover Tomcat turbo.
Yeah. Alright.
Nice little engine. Nice and light. But this one's got different ECU, and it's been, as I said, it's been breathed on a little bit. It's got a little bit more power. I think the standard engine was 190 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
But this one's 240, which is on the rollers.
Okay. The smell of it's lovely. Oh, there's your spare wheel. I did wonder where they put the spare wheels on these.
Yep.
And this is all fiberglass, so...
Yeah, Marcos have always been fiberglass.
Yeah.
Originally, in fact, interesting one, that up until about the late 60s, Marcoses were actually plywood chassis.
Oh, yeah?
Which actually very, very strong. The idea was it was designed by Frank Costin.
Yeah.
And Frank Costin designed the Mosquito,
Oh yeah, yeah.
That,
Yeah, I remember the Moscows.
Which was all plywood. Obviously, the idea was a wooden airframe.
Yeah.
And he put a lot of I think he put a lot of the ideas into designing the wooden chassis for the Marcos.
Okay.
But obviously, quite expensive to restore, but
yeah.
I think also quite production-wise to produce was quite difficult. So hence this one actually has a steel chassis.
Yeah.
Still light.
And where are they based? Where were they based?
They were based in West Wilts Trading Estate.
Okay.
In Westbury, Wiltshire. So up until the early 2000s, but as usual, I think they went bankrupt again.
Yeah.
A few times, and I think they. But
are they gone completely now?
They've
or?
gone completely, but there's a very good spares backup, which is I'd really recommend. Go and see Joe at Redline Sports Cars.
Yeah.
Joe's brilliant. I mean, what Joe doesn't know about Marcus isn't worth knowing.
Yeah.
And he's always there and always plenty of help. There's also Marcus Heritage.
Yeah.
Which is just down the road from Joe, because Joe's based in Hilperton near Trowbridge.
Yeah.
And just down the road is Marcus Heritage, which you can get all the spares. There's no problem getting spares for them.
Okay.
Yeah. Not an issue at all.
Does that go back to the older cars as well?
Oh, back to the older cars. There's restoration. Joe sells and also restores. Restores Marcus's full stop.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Interior's all that, and the roof's not electric, just a poor manual roof. Yeah. Weird place to be putting your fuel.
Yeah, but it looks good.
it looks good, and it's race car vibes straight away.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The colour does stand out really nice on it.
Another interesting thing on the Marcus is the seats aren't adjustable, but the pedal box is. You adjust the pedals.
Yeah.
So basically the seats stay in place, but you can actually adjust the whole pedal box back, so it slides back and forward.
They do that with the new GT, don't they? Ford GTs.
Marcus did it first, I reckon.
Yeah, yeah. Can't even see the pedals, don't I don't think.
Yeah.
Well, you are quite tall, so.
Jem Marsh, the guy that owned Marcus cars, was actually I think, don't quote me on this, but I think he was actually 6'4". I met Jem.
Oh yeah.
Lovely gentleman. So every Marcus, if you think about it, was designed around Jem.
Yeah. Right, we're going for a quick drive. All clear. Well, listen to that.
So it don't ride badly.
No, that's not bad. You can hear the turbos.
Quite interesting as well. It's funny, a lot of people sort of look at it and go, well, what is it?
Yeah.
And then when you tell them what it is, they're quite gobsmacked, they're quite sort of amazed by what it is that these cars were produced. But they started in 1959, Marcus, so they've had some quite famous people own them, including John Noakes and Blue Peter was a famous Marcus owner.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, there's a bit of useless trivia.
Wow.
Also, they raced in the European GT Championship, British GT Championship.
Yeah.
They won the British GT Championship, British GT Championship back in the day. So yeah, they've got a very good competition history.
Yeah.
Raced at Le Mans.
Well, there we have it. I've just been out for a drive in it. Well, not me personally. Nick took me for a drive because the pedal box in it, you gotta move it and it's not that easy to do. So maybe next time I'll wear some high heels. But fantastic car. You can actually feel the drive shaft rumbling through the car as you're in it, in the seats. But no, what a lovely car. Sounds amazing. You can hear the turbo every time. And it looks amazing as well. We just took some shots of it, and yeah, hopefully we'll see it again very soon at some of the Pegasus car meets. And yeah, one day maybe I'll try and get one. We'll see. But for now, we're gonna thank Nick. Thank you, Nick.
Yeah, thanks, Jake.
Car is absolutely gorgeous. Well, Thank you again, Nick, and we will see you again soon. So please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, more cars like this to come. Bye for now.